The traffic manager is now configured to connect to the endpoints, and both of them are now enabled. And you can see that under the overview section. You can also see the status under endpoint section as well. That is enabled as well. You can add multiple endpoints later on if you like. But let's see if this endpoint is actually working. To check that, you can go to the DNS name of the traffic manager and then copy this hyperlink, open up in the URL and paste that. It should take me to the nearest location from where I'm accessing this particular traffic manager endpoint. So it takes me to Central US. If I would have been in any other country located or closely located to Asia, it would have taken me to Asian web application. So basically, I've created two applications like this. This is replication 1 app, and then there is replication 2 app. One is located in Asia and Central US. So replication 1 in East Asia looks like this. So if I go to the endpoint of this one, it should show that it is in East Asia. And the second one, which is replication 2, is located in Central US. So if I try to access replication 2, it will take me to the Central US for obvious reasons. But then I've connected both of these applications to something called as a traffic manager. See, I got replication 2 here, which takes me to Central US, and then replication 1 takes me to East Asia. But then I try to connect the replication app with traffic manager app with replication 1 and 2, and then it takes me to the nearest location, which is Central US. So that's how we could configure our training app.